Are you having difficulty hearing? Are you asking people to repeat themselves? Are you struggling to understand conversations in noisy places? And don't even mention the price tag of traditional hearing aids. What if there was a game changer? Imagine a new, sleek device that goes into your ear as quickly as your favorite song slips into your mind. Look how easy that went in my ear. With a flip of a switch, the new Mini Clarity Plus hearing aid brings life's soundtrack back to total volume. No fuss, no confusion, no colossal bill. Just you back to living. Click the link below to grab it risk-free for 90 days.